Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for clicking on this video. This is a messenger bag. Okay, we are going to go through the cutting and the stitching. All right, this is how the bag is going to look like at the end of the video. So this is the measurement 18 inches by 15 inches. Okay, so from this side of this 15 inches, you're going to fold it as you can see me do. Okay, after folding it, you just notch it to ascertain the center. Okay, you find the center by notching it. Okay, after notching it, you just align it very well. Can you see? Place it on fold and align it very well. Okay, after aligning it very well, from this folded parts, okay, from this folded part, we are going to take our measurements. We are going to measure 1.5 inch. Okay, we are measuring 1.5 inch from this folded part by 4 inches. Okay, 1.5 inch by 4 inches. Can you see what I am doing? Everything is in inches, it's not in centimeter. Okay, after getting this part being done, you just connect the points, okay, with the help of your ruler. You just connect the points. After connecting the points, the result will be as shown. So you just go ahead and cut it out. Okay, just go ahead and cut it out. Okay, after cutting it out, the result will be as shown. Can you see? So you just open it up and then you use this cut part to trace the other side. Okay, just trace the other side so that it could be easy and fast for you. Okay, after getting this part being done, the result will be as shown. Then I'll go ahead and just curve this part. Okay, I'll just curve the edges with 1 inch by 1 inch. Okay, I'm using my hand, but you can as well use any objects that you know is going to be fitting the points for fast and easy work. Okay, after this part is being done, you just go ahead and cut it for the other side. So I also cut my lining and I'm going to place it as shown. Then I'll stitch it all round. Can you see? So after stitching it all round, the result will be as shown. Then I will go ahead and trim out or cut out the excess lining that is not necessary. So after getting this part being done, I will fix in my ring. Okay, I'm using an oval shape ring. Then I will cut out 1 inch belt. I'll cut out 2 inches of 1 inch belt. Then I'll place it as shown. So I'll also cut out another 1 inch belt, but I'm cutting out 50 inches for this one. Okay, so that it can be able to go around the body size of your clients. Okay, since it's going to be adjustable. So after that, I'll just place it as shown. Then I'll just stitch it. Okay, so can you see the result? So after stitching it, I will now work on my front pocket, which I've already sewn my logo to it, which is measuring 5 inches by 10 inches. Okay, so I'm going to sew it using my lining to turn it over. Can you see what I'm doing? Just give it a straight stitch. Okay, so after giving it a straight stitch, I'll turn it over. Then I'll align it very well with the help of my hand. After aligning it very well with the help of my hand, I'll go ahead and top stitch it all around. Okay, all the four sides. I'll top stitch it all around. Sorry guys, I'll just top stitch it straight. Can you see what I'm doing? Then I'll trim out the excess lining. So after that, I'll now find the midpoint also for this part. Then I'll also carry my 1 inch belt. I'll cut out 7 inches. Okay, then I also need a set of buckle. Then I'll use this 7 inch to fix in my buckle, the one part of the buckle on this part. Can you see what I am doing? So just pay attention to what you see here so that you can be able to do the same thing and it will come out neatly. So after doing that, I'll just sew it round. I'll just sew it straight. Can you see what I am doing? So after getting this part being done, I will just carry my panel, my main panel, where I'm going to sew this one to form my pocket. Okay, so I'll place it as shown. Can you see it? Then I'll stitch it straight. It's very easy and beginner friendly. So just go ahead and try your own. Okay, and comment down so that I will know what you have done so far. Then I'll just sew it as shown. Can you see? Very easy and beginner friendly. So after this part is being done, the result will be as shown. You can also put your phone or any other thing that you want, okay, or money or any other thing. So we are going to sew this cover for the pocket, which is measuring 9.5 inches by 3.5 inches. So I'm going to curve one part, okay. I'm using this custard rubber to curve the part, but you can use any other thing that you want to curve it, okay. It's very easy. So after cutting it, after curving it, I'll just cut it out. Then I'll go ahead and fix the other buckle, okay, which I use 4.5 inches of 1 inch belt. Then I'll fix the other buckle to it. Then I'll go ahead and notch the center so that it will fit into the other one that I've already sewn, okay. So I'll just place it as shown and I'll sew it round, okay. So after sewing it round, the result will be as shown. Then I need my foam and my lining. Then I'll just place it like this and then I'll sew it round. So to my returning subscribers and viewers, I love you so very much. To my new subscribers and viewers, you are welcome. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your shares. Thank you for your subscription, okay. And if you have watched to this point without subscribing, if you find this tutorial helpful, educative and impactful, please do well by giving it a thumbs up, share with your friends and download, okay. And leave your comments down below. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among those that will be first to see it, okay. So after aligning it, you just go ahead and top stitch it round. It's very easy and beginner friendly. Just top stitch it as you can see me do, okay. So after top stitching, the result will be as shown. I'll also mark the midpoint. I'll also mark the midpoint on the panel. Can you see? So just go ahead and mark your midpoint. This is where you're going to place it. Can you see how I'm placing it? Then I'll just stitch it straight, okay. I'll just stitch it straight. So after stitching it straight, the result will be as shown. Can you see? Very beautiful. So after this part, we are going to work on our up gusset, okay, which is measuring 14 inches by 4 inches. Sorry guys, 14 inches by 4 inches. So I'll just find the midpoint, also aligning it very well. Then I'll cut it into two. I'll just split it. Then I'll also use my lining. Then I'll bring my zip clothes. I'll place my zip clothes good side facing good side. Then I'll place my lining, also I'll stitch it straight. So after stitching it straight, the result will be as shown. I'll cut out the excess zipper. Then I will align it very well. Then I will top stitch it with the help of my hand, okay. I will top stitch it, okay. So after top stitching it, the result will be as shown. Then I will repeat the same method to this other one, okay. I'll just repeat the same method, okay. So just be patient and focus. Insert your pullers. I'm using 2 pullers. Then after that, I will stitch it to this, but I'm going to align it very well first to see if it has fit in. But my up gusset is bigger than the side gusset, so I'm going to align it. Then I'll mark it and trim it out, okay. I'm trimming it out of camera. So after I trim it, the result will be as shown. So after getting this part being done, I'll just go ahead and stitch it, okay. Can you see what I'm doing? I just go ahead and stitch it. Is very easy and beginner friendly. So after stitching it, I'll also go ahead and cover the rough edges. I'll cover the rough edges with bias tape, okay. I'll just tape it, okay. After taping this part, the result will be as shown. I will just find the midpoint for my up gusset. I also find the midpoint for my panel, okay. So after finding the midpoint, I'll just notch it, or you mark it with any chalk or anything. Then after getting this part being done, I will turn it over and top stitch this other side. Can you see where I'm top stitching? This is where I'll just turn it over and top stitch, okay. It's very easy and beginner friendly. So just feel free, go ahead and try this project and let me know in the comment section, okay. So for those of you that are always asking to share pictures of your work with me, I'll also make the WhatsApp number available so that you can always be reaching me, okay. So after that, you turn it over and then you and then you start sewing your bag together, not side to not side. You arrange it very well with the help of your hand. Okay, so this part that you are seeing as if is not fitting is fitting. Just go ahead and notch it. But if your own fit in very well, don't say that you want to notch it because you see Ayim Craft is notching it. No, it will be over again. Just sew it as you can see it, okay, so that it will be very, very beautiful. Okay, so just go ahead and try it. Thank you for your time. Thank you for always sticking around. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your prayers. Thank you for liking. Thank you for your shares. I am seeing your handwork. I love you so very much. So after you might have sewn it, okay, after you might have sewn it, you just cover the rough edge with your bias tape. Okay, you just cover your rough edges with your bias tape, and is that simple and easy to make. So just go ahead and try yours, okay, and let me know in the comment section. This messenger bag is very, very easy. It's very, very easy, and I bet you are going to sell it a lot. Okay, you're going to sell it a lot. You use it to beautify your shop. So I will just bet you to just make like about 5 of it or 6 with different fabric. Okay, with different fabric. You see how guys and even ladies, gents will just come and pick it from you. Okay, so we are turning our back, aligning it very well with the help of my hand. Just push the edges, okay, so that it will bring out the beauty of your bag. So arrange it very well. It's very, very easy and beginner friendly. Can you see it? So after this part is being done, I'll just fix my adjuster. Okay, just go ahead and fix your adjuster so that the rope can be adjustable, so that you can adjust it to be short or you can adjust it to be long. Okay, so if you find this adjuster, fixing of this adjuster is super fast, you can also make reference to other of my bags, okay, like the crossbody bags. Okay, fixing of adjuster is the same thing, so you just stitch this place. Okay, so thank you for watching. Thank you for coming to clicking on my videos. So can you see the result of our bag? It's very, very easy. So just go ahead and try yours and let me know in the comment section. So thank you so very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you. I love you guys. I love you so very much. You are the backbone of this channel. Without you, I won't be here. Thank you and God bless you. See you in the next